Everyone, welcome back to Use and Fix, where we'll be showing you another tutorial video on the following topic: how to fix Meta AI not working on iPhone. So if you're having trouble with Meta AI not working on your iPhone, you are not alone. This issue is more common than you might think, but don't worry. Today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. We're going to try a few methods from simplest and working our way up, so stick with me till the end. Let's start with the quickest fix: airplane mode. Go ahead and turn it on from your notification center or control center. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off and try logging in into WhatsApp again. You'd be surprised how this simple trick does the job. Next, let's check if there's an update available for WhatsApp on your phone. Open your Play Store or App Store and then search WhatsApp. Then see if there's an update button. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have the latest bug fixes and improvements. If updating didn't help, it's time to delete and reinstall the app WhatsApp from your phone. Delete the app from your phone, then reinstall it with all the latest files and settings. In many cases, this is the final fix that solves stubborn login problems. And there you go. One of these methods should have helped you get back into your WhatsApp account. If it did, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.